Hi, I'm Usaid Alamgir, founder and CEO of QuickComm Technologies, and this is QuickComm. We make voice AI devices for the places where people work by talking: hotels, hospitals, security teams, and personal agents. In all three, the most important things are spoken out loud and never saved. A guest mentions a food allergy, a doctor gives an instruction, or a guard reports a problem on the radio. It's said once and then it's gone. Nobody can go back and forth to check it, so either the team forgets it or someone has to stop working to type it all up. The Earpiece is an AI headset for frontline teams and personal AI assistants. It hears the request, answers it live, and saves it on its own. It's being used right now by the AYC Network in the UAE for hospitality and with hundreds of AI enthusiasts globally to build on top of it. The tabletop sits on any table and turns a conversation into clean written notes. The doctor just talks and the notes just write themselves. It's working in 21 hospitals with EMRChains, covering 15 meeting rooms with Meetify, and is also operating in restaurants in Dubai. The bridge node is a small plug-in device put onto the radios a company already owns. And every call, every record becomes a track. Nothing needs to be replaced. It's being used by Desert Hawk Securities in Pakistan, the Krypton FM Group in the UK, and Dubai Mall. 3 devices, 3 industries, all working in the real world. So, the things your team says out loud don't disappear.